Viktor. Ermitage Kalone, united with an all-round dam line. Viktor is sired by Ermitage Kalone, who is a class of its own. He won team gold and individual bronze at this year's European Championship with Gilles Thomas, and his first offspring are already performing at 1.40 m level. Through the Grand Prix sport and breeding stallion Cicero Z, this dam line traces back to the well-tested Grand Dam Gina Selena, who is a sibling to the 140 level horse Dinant. Great Grand Dam Selena is a half-sister to the international 150 level horse James Blonde, ridden by Patrick Lemon, and this line has also produced several eventers.